In this video, I will show you how to set margins and get our desired page size in MS Word. Go to File, New and Blank Document. This is the standard page size that Microsoft Word gives us when we create our new file. Let's make a page of our desired size that has a width of 4.5 inches and height is 6 inches. So this box represents that height and width. Go to Layout, Margins and Custom Margins. Click on this paper tab. See paper size. Selected paper size is letter. Width of letter size is 8.5 and height is 11 inches. Let's calculate our desired margins. We need 4.5 inches wide page size. So put 8.5 inches width here in your calculator. 8.5 subtract by our desired width 4.5 and divide it by 2. This 2 is a value of our left and right margins. So click here, add 2 left margin and 2 for the right margin. Go to paper, look at the height, go to the calculator, clear this value, subtract height of our desired page, that is 6 inches. 6 and divide this value by 2 to get the values for our top and bottom margins, that is 2.5. Go to the margins and put 2.5 for top margin and 2.5 for bottom margins and click OK. Simply select this box, align it to the center to just check the margins we have set. Here look at the bottom and top corners, these crop marks. These are showing that we have got our exact page size of width 4.5 inches wide and 6 inches high. So this is a very simple and easy method to get our desired page size in MS Word. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider liking and subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video.